A friend of mine bought this for $3,500 from a 91-year-old lady, and if it runs, it's going to be a good deal. If not, well, he may have wasted his money. So let's get it unloaded, try to get it running, and find out. Let's check it out under the hood and let's see if we can get this thing running. Let's take a look under the hood. Actually, it's not too dirty under here. We've got the battery right there. There is a battery in the car. Although when I got in, absolutely no power whatsoever, so we can't even put the windows down. Take a look inside the car. It's pretty clean in here. Very hot and humid in here right now. And the car smells pretty bad inside. And I don't think we can open up the rear hatch without getting power to it, so let's grab a battery charger and put it on. I'm just going to change the battery charger to 12 volt 60 amps and turn it on. I heard something happen inside the car. Heard the fuel pump cycle or something like that. So something is happening. Let's get in and see if anything's going on. Oh, the dashboard's on. You can see it says miles per hour there now. Sounds like the stereo is on. It says service engine soon. Okay. I guess the noise I heard earlier was the antenna. Put it in park. Let's turn that off for a second. Let's turn the ignition on. See if the window moves. Well, the passenger window goes down. It does not seem like the driver's door wants to do anything. So, hitting the switch and nothing is happening. Down here on the door, you can see there's this little button which is supposed to open up the rear hatch, which it looks like it did. The car's been on the charger for a little bit. Let's switch this to engine start and see what happens. Okay, we'll get back in. Turn the ignition to on. You can kind of see things on the display are lighting up. And let's see if she starts. The engine's cranking over. Sounds like it wants to start. See if we can get these gauges to work a little better. Hit the light switch and the headlights do move. Let's see. See if we can find out if there's any fuel on this thing. Okay, I haven't been able to get it to start. Let's take a look at the gas tank. See if it smells, see if we can determine how long this thing has been without running. I have to put this down. I don't think it's a good sign when you can't even get the gas cap off. Okay, I'm gonna go get an oil filter wrench and see if that helps. Okay, I have an oil filter wrench now. Let's see if we can get the gas cap off. Okay, well the fuel cap just broke. Just keep going, see if we can get the rest of it off. Finally it's turning and I can smell really disgusting old gas in here. You feel the pressure releasing. It doesn't look like this broke. Looks like it could probably be popped on somehow. There we go. That's good as new. Let's open up the flapper, see what it smells like. It's pretty bad. I don't even know if there's any gas in there anymore. But I think it's worth trying to start it again now that we have released the pressure in the tank. I went and got 5 gallons of gas. Let's put that in and see if it makes a difference. Yeah, I'm going to put the gas cap back on, but I'm not going to tighten it all the way because I want to make sure that it vents properly. Still won't start, so I think we need to check the engine out more. It might be hard to see on the camera, but right here is a test port for checking the fuel pressure. So we'll just take this cap off and we'll push down on that little valve right there and we'll see if it's even getting any fuel to the engine. I've left the key in the on position so that the fuel pump might run. We are getting fuel coming out. It's not at any high pressure and it smells pretty bad, but we do have fuel up here. I think it's time to hook a gauge up and see if we have good fuel pressure. Okay, I'm going to screw my fuel pressure gauge on. And then I'll just lay that on the windshield so I can see it from inside. I'm going to try to start it and see if we get any fuel pressure. Okay, we've got nothing, so means it's either a fuel filter clogged, the gas tank could be clogged, but more than likely the fuel pump isn't working. I figured out that the fuel pump is not running and there's really nothing else that I can do. So if someone's trying to offer you a Corvette for under $4,000, be wary. You're going to run into problems like this. So far we know the engine doesn't run, the driver's door doesn't work, and it smells terrible inside. So I'm sure that there's going to be a lot more things wrong with it. Maybe in future episodes I'll give a follow-up on this car. Thanks for watching.